To manage a Bank of Baroda corporate account effectively, it is essential to follow best practices that ensure seamless transactions, maintain a good credit score, and minimize errors. First, designate a single point of contact to oversee all transactions and account activities, ensuring that all decisions and actions are centralized and well coordinated. This individual should be well versed in the company's financial policies and procedures. Next, maintain accurate and up-to-date account records, including transaction history, account statements, and payment schedules. Regularly review these records to detect any discrepancies or suspicious activity. Implement a robust payment approval process to prevent unauthorized transactions. This should include multiple levels of approval, with clear roles and responsibilities defined for each approver. It is also crucial to monitor account balances and transaction limits regularly to avoid overdrafts, and ensure that the company stays within its allocated credit limits. In addition, take advantage of Bank of Baroda's online banking platform to streamline transactions, track account activity, and access account statements. This platform provides a secure and convenient way to manage the corporate account remotely. To minimize errors, ensure that all account holders and authorized personnel are aware of the bank's policies and procedures, including transaction processing times, payment cutoff times, and account maintenance requirements. Finally, regularly review and update the account's mandate and authorized signatories to reflect any changes in the company's structure or management. This ensures that the account remains aligned with the company's evolving needs and maintains the integrity of its financial operations. By following these best practices, companies can ensure that their Bank of Baroda corporate account is well managed, secure, and optimized for their financial needs. This not only helps to prevent errors and minimize risks but also enables the company to maintain a positive relationship with the bank and access a range of financial services and benefits.